I am Michael from Catalyst, and I want you to be consistently highly motivated so you achieve your goals and be the person you want to be. And I want to share a part of my 5 types of motivation model with you right now to help you. So, when I first started, I used something which I didn't realize at the time was called false motivation. So, false motivation is all about when you see it and think, well, it could happen. It might not happen. It might maybe not probable, but it could happen. It's the first thing that stops people. Does it stop you when you're trying to be motivated? You just go, I want to do this. I want to go here. I want to be this kind of person. Is it really going to happen? And we stop ourselves before we've even tried, or before we've even gone all the way. Well, just be open to this. What if it could? There's so many things that I have done recently in the last few years. I've just started by saying, well, maybe it could happen. So my first year, I wanted to help 1 billion people. I still do. And it's working. I'm getting closer. In my first year, did I think it was really going to happen? I don't know. I just went and tried it. Yeah. I gave myself permission to just try it. I use what I now understand is false motivation. I saw it as completed and gone, well, maybe. Yeah. What if I just started a business and tried? Yeah. And I want to help 1 billion people. Well, how would you do that? And then recently, it's incredible. It's got closer and closer and closer and closer. Started working in Spanish, so that's working with lots of different people. I've started doing all these things, right? But it's all tied to that. Maybe it could happen. Because anybody that tells you it can't happen, they don't know. They can give you advice, they can give you all these different things, but until it's actually happened or not, nobody knows. Nobody knows what's going to happen tomorrow. I don't, you don't, right? So, for example, here's another way I used it. I went, well, I want to do a bungee jump. I'm really scared, but I could do it. What if I could do it? Well, then that'd be really cool to achieve that. And then I did it, right? And you just knock these things up and you set them up and you knock them down, set them up and knock them down. And you start to feel a sense of momentum and kind of purpose. You think belief in yourself, right? So just use that today. Something you want to do, some kind of person you want to be, somewhere you want to go, something you want to achieve. Don't stop yourself before you start. Just say, maybe it could. Maybe it could. And that's what it does. It just opens the door just a crack. It's all you need. Get your fingers in the door. Then you bring the door all the way open. So give it a try. Yeah. Just think, what if it could? See where that takes you. And by the way, if you want to try out some of these things and you think, I really want to learn more about motivation, this is really good. It's just a little snippet. I've got my own process. It's called the 5 types of motivation. If you click on the link below, you can check it out and get yourself a copy. Check it out.